So it's a nice sunny day. I'm headed from one gig to another, and I'm just noticing how nice it is. Even though it's still a bit chilly, the sun is shining, and it's just nice to see, people enjoying life. You got the dogs over there enjoying the dog park, and it's just making me realize that sometimes if we're at home, we can just be racking our brains with all the things we have to do and feeling stuck, and how great it is once you're outside. You can feel lighter, and sometimes you feel more inspired and certain answers come to you. So my encouragement for everyone today is, I know a lot of you are in an office or you have a lot going on, but my encouragement is for everyone to get out in nature for a bit when you can, and just breathe in the good stuff and the inspiration. Take a deep breath or so. All right, happy Monday.